We believe all people are sacred and possess inherent and immeasurable worth and dignity. Colonialism displaced and dispossessed indigenous peoples of their ancestral lands and continues to deny their basic human rights, dignities, and freedoms. We are committed to the sacrament of reconciliation, making reparations and fulfilling our treaty obligations, duties, and responsibilities as outlined in the Gado Nagarana Dishwitwanswirwam. This treaty governs and affirms that we actively maintain mutually beneficial relationships and collectively respect and care for the land, water, animals, and each other in order to guarantee a good life for our future descendants.
My name is Mariana Vrankic, and my colleague is Amalia Eric. We will be your commentators this afternoon. We would like to acknowledge our ASL interpreters, Melissa Burt and Amina Demi. At this time, we'd like to introduce you to the dignitaries and guests seated on the stage and in attendance. Bria Corbett, Catholic Trustee of Wards 9 and 10, Dufferin Peel, Catholic District School Board. Bailey Klein, Indigenous Student Trustee, Dufferin Peel, Catholic District School Board. Peter Kuzmano, Superintendent, Mississauga West Family of Schools. Laura Odo, Superintendent of Policy, Strategy, Research and Safe Schools, former Superintendent, Mississauga West Family of Schools, Dufferin Peel, Catholic District School Board. Cabell Lopez, Chair of our Catholic School Council. Jennifer Varnum, Principal of Our Lady of Mount Carmel Catholic Secondary School. Our team of Vice Principals, Mary Ambrosi and Noreen George. We also welcome our special guests, the Honorable Rashid Aldez, Member of Parliament for Mississauga Streetsville. And Mississauga. Trevor Phillips, District Deputy, Knights of Columbus, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Council.